Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Site Master. Today we are going to see the mixing of UHPC, ultra high performance reinforced concrete. This is one of the strongest concrete derived nowadays, and this is the new future. The yellow colored mounted machine we see is the mixer for UHPFRC. Inside this UHPC mixer, the concrete material is imported from Malaysia, and the yellowish material is called fibers. These are the steel fibers which are put inside the concrete for its durability and strength. The compressive strength for this concrete is 150 MPa. This concrete does not have any aggregate, only silica sand and admixtures, and very high amount of cement is there. This is how this concrete is laid on the surface, and after laying, this kind of curing compound is applied, and it should be protected for 24 hours from sunlight. During mixing of this concrete, complete ice is used, no water is used. Thank you. Bye.